What is up, guys? Today is the 7th, and this is starting to feel like a marathon, not gonna lie. Um, so today's topic, if you don't have the calendar in front of you, is have not explored yet. Um, I guess there's a lot I haven't explored yet. I haven't done a whole lot with joinery. I haven't done a whole lot with like pocket holes and dowels and stuff like that. But if I had to pick like something to be like fast tracked into, I'd probably pick probably epoxy. I love watching all the guys on Instagram doing their epoxy pours, the live edge tables and stuff like that. I think that stuff is amazing. Um, I just don't want to pull the trigger on getting started. I know it's quite costly getting all this stuff to get started, but I love watching like Bill Dad Build. He's all about the total boat and stuff like that. So I would probably say that'd be the next thing that I would want to venture down. Um, for the spot that my shop is currently in, I don't think I need to yet. Um, I'm still learning a lot on everything that I've started. Every time I start to get good at something, I have to start something new because I have to have that constant pressure on me. In order to get everything that I try to get out of my wood shop, I always have to be behind the gun. Um, so it's gonna come up eventually. I know that. I mean, as far as epoxy goes, like my son and I, we did the poor man's epoxy where you melt crayons. I routed some signs and we melted some crayons in there. They turned out fun. I know it's not the same as epoxy, but I found a post saying it was poor man's epoxy, and I thought it was hilarious. So I would say that would be the something I haven't explored yet that I'm very interested in. Even just seeing like those dudes that make the slabs where they use the star bond. I would like to do stuff like that too, filling in my knots like that, but just haven't made it there yet. So I know it's another kind of dry, boring video. I don't really have a whole lot to dive in on this one. It's really a real blanket topic. So that's probably what it would be. So let me know what your guys's would be in the comments below. Um, Go like me on Facebook. If you're on Instagram, follow me, and if you're on YouTube, subscribe. Thank you guys, and I will see you tomorrow with a new topic.